of the actual Team FastPad product and show you what we designed up until this point in time. So as you can see right now, we're at the home page, and you'll probably see some familiar images and text. This is because we pulled that information straight off teamfastpad.com and displayed it here. So what you have in your current pages is what we have to display here, but we also added something new. Here, whoever's viewing the page will get a sample of what you have to offer. And in that sample, with this product, we included some new stuff. As you can see on the left, we built some custom animations for each of the 18 workouts that quickly go over a brief overview of the actual workout for the user. And then on the left, we have an actual sample video that is displayed. Let's go ahead and take a look at the code and actually sign up for an account. So clicking sign up gets us to the registration page. Here it's pretty standard. The user inputs email, password, the account type, and their first name and last name. The account types at the moment, the user has a choice between coach and player. The coach is, of course, the head of a team organization, and they have the ability to make workouts, edit workouts, and adjust elements to their particular team. The player, on the other hand, has a more limited view. They'll be able to view workouts and record their data. So let's go ahead and create a coach here. Say coach. And then we click on register. As you can see, we have error handling in place. The standard passwords don't match, etc. So clicking on register brings us to the home page. As you can see right now, it's empty, but in this page is where the overview of all teams belonging to the coach would be displayed. So let's go ahead and create a team really quick. So I'm going to go ahead and click on create team. And this brings us to our create team page. Here it's just a standard form where the user will be able to input the team's name, sport, level, as well as the organization they belong to, whether it be a high school or a private club. Down here, and this is optional at this point, they will also be able to add a logo for the team. So let's go ahead and create one right now. I'm going to say we're the Gremlins, hockey, varsity, and then Houghton, 05 Street, Houghton, High School, and I'm going to go ahead and add a logo. All right, so as you can see, the team is now here in the team overview page, and the user has access to it. So let's go ahead and view the actual team itself. So when the coach goes and clicks on their team, they'll be brought to this team overview page for that particular team. Over here, it'll display what the team is, their sport and level, and then it brings us right off the bat to the edit team page. Here the user can change the information surrounding the team. So if they want to change their logo, team name, or any other information that's relevant to the team, they can. Down here, they can also add and remove affiliation and sponsor information. We know that's pretty common with sports teams, so we wanted that feature here to record as well, to know that, hey, they're a part of it. On the left-hand side here, we also have the ability to view all aspects of the team. So we can view the players on the team, keep track of the team statistics regarding the Team FastPad product, check individual player statistics surrounding the Team FastPad product, as well as view and assign workouts relevant to our team. We can also go back. So let's go ahead and click on the players view and add some players here. So here, nothing is currently here, but we can go ahead and click add a new player. And if the player's email address exists in our database, they will be able to be added. So I'm going to call you a forward. Now I've already gone through the liberty of creating a player, and we're going to go ahead and add 2. So as you can see, once we add player, it returns us to the player's overview screen, and the actual player shows up. So you're a goalie. Now keep in mind too, the position and number values are optional. We know all sports don't have positions or team numbers. So, all right, so we have 2 players on the team. And right now, nothing else on this page that we can really do because we haven't assigned any workouts. So let's go ahead and create a workout for our team to use. So to create a workout, I'm going to go ahead up top and click on the Workouts tab. And here I can view all workouts currently available to me. Now we can see that one's already been created, but we're going to go through the process and actually creating a new one for us to view. So as you can see down here, we're going to go ahead and give it a name. I'm going to say Gremlins 1 in our description. Workout for the Houghton Gremlins hockey team. And now inside the middle of the page, we have all 18 workouts available in the Team FastPad product and the ability to set the difficulty that we want the player to actually do. So in this case, everything is currently set to beginner, but we can change that later on. We also have the option of actually viewing information surrounding the workout before we assign it. So if we don't quite remember what an in and out was, we can view it here. Here, it gives us the instructional animation and a link to the instructional video. All right, so we're going to go ahead and click on Create, and that's saved. Now, at any time, if the user wants to view information surrounding a workout, they can click on the Information tab, and here the same information will be presented. So it'll say the workout title, its description, and the difficulty settings you have each drill set to. At this point in time, the user may also go back and view the drill video. Oops, some lag here. All right, from there, we're going to go back to Teams and actually assign some workouts. So I'm going to go ahead, click on Teams, go back to the team, and then down here, click on my team workouts. And then as you can see, I currently have none assigned, but I'm going to go ahead and choose this workout, click Assign. Once I do that, I'm able to not only assign it to individual players, but the entire team as well. So I'm going to go ahead and assign this workout to everybody, and then save it. And as you can see now, all workouts that all people who are currently assigned to this workout show up under my Assign Workouts tab. And these players will now be notified that they have this workout available to them. So let's go ahead and show that really quick. So I'm going to go ahead and log out here by clicking on my name and sign out. I'm going to go ahead and log in as player 15. Now, as you can see, we have click on our team, and this is the player's overview page. We see that it's very similar to the coach's overview page. However, there's only a few less things. First, they're only available to them their personal statistics and their workouts. So let's go ahead and start a workout. Here, the user has available to them all information surrounding a workout. So here they have the video, which they can play, as well as the instructional animation, as the coach did on the previous page. And then they just cycle through each of the 18 drills and record the results throughout the way. So in this case, the player has the ability to record their individual steps, as shown in the Team FastPad software, for a particular drill, as well as the amount of repetitions they actually performed. And this happens through all 18 drills. Now we're not going to go through all 18 just now, but once we get to the end, we'll hit a summary page and the user will be able to save this workout information.